In today's corporate landscape, compliance and regulatory requirements are not just obligations, they are critical to business success. Today, we're going to explore how meeting those requirements through workplace first aid can ensure the organization's growth and continuity. Compliance with regulatory requirements is not just about avoiding penalties, it's also about fostering that culture of safety and preparedness. Let's delve into how this compliance can be a game changer for your organization. And here are the key points to consider. Meeting legal obligations for workplace safety, minimizing legal risks and potential liabilities, fostering a safety-conscious culture, boosting employee morale and confidence in the workplace, a commitment to a company that prioritizes safety. Compliance and regulation requirements for workplace first aid are not just a tick box exercise. They're a commitment to the well-being and legal standing of your organization. It's about knowing that your organization not only meets legal obligations, but goes above and beyond for the safety of its employees. Compliance and regulatory requirements for workplace first aid are not just a necessity, they're the path to a legally secure and thriving future. Because in your workplace, compliance is the foundation upon which success is built.